Chhati phul gayi hai, but thank you so much for all the kind words. But I've got to say that I do need an introduction. And I'll give you one example which maybe somebody over here might have heard about it, is that people know you when you're playing. People sometimes forget what, after you've finished playing. But also I think when you're playing, you go to an audience where you don't know the audience. Sometimes, they might not know you or whatever. So there was one occasion when my uncle Madhav Mantri, who played 4 test matches for India, he was the chief guest at a school sports function. And I was then at that particular time the captain of the Indian cricket team. And the principal of the school, before introducing the chief guest, asked him, how do I introduce you to the boys? And my uncle said, look, nobody knows me. I played way back in the 1950s. You just ask all those boys, who is your favorite cricketer? And then just say, I'm his uncle. Simple, isn't it? Because Madhav Mantri was my mother's elder brother. And principal said, yes, great idea, fantastic idea. And so he said to the boys, before I introduce you to the chief guest of the evening, can I ask you, who is your favorite cricketer? So the boys said, can I ask you, who's your favorite cricketer? And in one voice, all of them said, Kapil Dev. So you see, the introduction is necessary. I have to be thankful to you for giving me the opportunity to say this. Because one thing that I found over the years is that if you ever speak after Mr. Srinivas, it's an impossible job. It is almost like going to bat after Sachin Tendulkar has been batting. You can't better that. So this is what happened today, what Shubman Gill is batting. It's very difficult to better what Mr. Srinivas says. Because he, as you said quite correctly, he gives you the picture completely. And in such a nice way. There are painters and painters. There is a Picasso, there's a Michelangelo, there's a Van Gogh, all these, fantastic painters. But I think when he's talking, it's a mixture of all. Modern art, ancient art, whatever. And it explains to you exactly what the cause is, exactly what is happening. So to better that is very, very difficult. All I can say, and all I can add a little bit, is that we at the Sai Sanjivani are absolutely over the moon and delighted that we are partnering with Rotary. That as a cricketer, as a batsman, I know how important it is to have a good partner with you, because that partner can take your load off. You're having a tough time, you're not batting well, you're playing and missing. The partner can take more of the strike while you're at the non-striker's end and regain your confidence. Then you can start batting well again. So we are all looking always for good partner, and I think in Rotary we have found that. Over the years, it's not just, as you said, a 5-year relationship. It is going to grow and grow and grow, and save hundreds and thousands of children's lives. And that is what this whole mission is all about. That to try and save as many children's lives as possible, because children are our future. And whatever we can do, whatever you have been doing and will be continuing to do, hopefully, is what we are most thankful for. And we anticipate to be able to thank you even more. I also want to say that, not just Sachin in the batting, but Sachin, as far as donating is concerned, that is also something which is fantastic. And I think every little bit counts. And just the fact that you have somebody like Sri Nanavati there to inspire you, Mr. Mehta there. I must, before I finish this, actually find out what the AKS stands for. I hope it's not AK-47 or something like that. What AKS stands for. But I just want to say that, all of you all have, taken time off from your busy schedules to give thought to this. it's not just a contribution. The fact that when you're contributing, you're thinking about it. You're thinking about what you want to do for the children. And for that also, we will always forever remain grateful to you. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotarians, thank you very much. I want to thank Mr. Vladimir as well for his contribution from Serbia. I had the good fortune of going to Serbia because when we were going for the World Test Championship in 2021, when COVID was around and we had to spend 10, 11 days in transit before we went to UK. We had to spend in an orange country or whatever the colors that were there. And we spent 11 days over there in Serbia, in Belgrade. And I think Belgrade is the hidden gem of the world. I mean, it's such a lovely place and lovely people down there. So I want to thank Mr. Vladimir and his Rotary group over there for their generous donation to the cause. And thank you all. And as always, if there is another function, hopefully in the very near future, if I've come here for the 4th time, consider me being there for the 5th time as well. Thank you. Jai Sahib.